Hello guys and welcome back to our channel I love 64. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Masdi Audi A7L. So this is like a fourth Masdi car that I got. You probably have seen the other two. I have unboxed the Audi R8 and there were two LCs and now this. Why? Because I really find these cars well detailed, heavy, and I do not see any quality control issue in these. So let's open this up and have a look. I really like the packing. It's itself a very safe packing kind of, right? You like to see the box? See the box. This is how it looks. I don't know if it's Chinese, Japanese or what. I really like these kind of packing. I think this is magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. See? It's magnetic box. It goes off by itself. Nice, really nice detailing on the box. And here is your Audi. See how safe it is. They put this kind of foam on it and then they put this. It's not cloth actually, it's a plastic piece. It's just to keep the roof safe. And here you put your two fingers and pull. Okay, so I have noticed that there was some issue in the video audio. So what I did, I am going to show what I had showed in that. Give me a moment. So basically, this was the piece. It was on the bottom of the car like this, just to keep the wheel safe, which is really cool, I think. And I was talking about the base itself. You see, the base is very well detailed and I really like how they created the exhaust coming from the front to back and gave all the detailing of the axle and everything. Have threaded wheels. This is a really nice casting and the well created execution car. And let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look on this, right? Whoa, Audi A7. I was waiting for Mini GT actually to make something like this. And I was not even aware that Masdi has already created this masterpiece. And in black. I just got to know about it when I took interest in Masdi after the R8 I bought. And then I bought two LCs and now this. So probably my Masdi collection is going to be a little bigger than I have thought. Because even this car looks really cool. It is just a simple luxury car and Masdi has made it so well, so detailed, and it looks so good. I really like how they created the headlights. The number plates say A7L. The side profile looks so cool. The wheels look so good and have Audi logo on it. The backlight, oh my god, look at that backlight, the long backlight with the Audi A7 on the tail. This is just beautiful. I'm really happy to add this one in the collection. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. So yes guys, that was your Audi A7. Do let me know if you guys like it, and do let me know which Masdi should I buy next and do the unboxing. The most votes I will get, the most comment I will get about, I'll bring that car to the channel and do the unboxing. Until then, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.